Hey world, so happy to see you. In this fun experience, we wanted to find the value of this expression. 91 divided by 1 over 27, then times 27. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 27 divided by 27, which equals 1. So here we have just 1. And 91 divided by 1 equals 91. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 91 divided by 1 over 27. To do this division, write down the 91 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 27 over 1, which gives 27. And here again we have times 27. 91 times 27 gives us 2,457. So 2,457 times 27, which equals 66,339. And so our final answer to this problem is just 66,339. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.